Good morning, sunshine. Morning, Mr. Dexter.
Morning to you. Well, well, well. Where's my boy? Where is my boy, you son of a bitch? Okay. You wanna play tough? You got it, asshole. See that little girl over there everybody's so fond of? Well, my scientists tell me that this is what revs her up. Look at her now. Weak as a little kitten.
Mr. Dexter, fuck off!
Fuck! What the fuck kind of place you running here, Clive?
Hell, that ain't mine.
Jesus Christ, you
That's Mrs. Cooper's.
sick fuck! You killed my boy, didn't you?
Look, man, just tell him what he wants to know. Accidents happen in this jail all the time.
Hey, Mr. Dexter, come on. You go on about your business. I'll take care of this guy. Let's go.
I want my boy back, Clive.
I ain't let you down yet, have I? Go on. Yeah, it's gonna be you and me now.
And my dad would know how to fix that. I'm a police officer. I'll give it a try.
Yeah, we'll do. Oh, that was just the Sarge. He looked very happy. Probably had a session, if you know what I mean, right? Anyway, I left the pistolas ready to pick up at the front desk. Oh, yeah, they are beautiful. Actually,
Every year, bro. Every year at the Hope Fair, we have to haul your fucking ass. I'm not drunk. I'm just stressed still. Please. I can smell it from over here. So what is it this year? Defecating over a water fountain? Interrupting the mayor's speech by publicly declaring to be...
No.
Hey, Merle. We took away your license months ago. You know better than that. Sorry, Merle. The sheriff just threw one of his tantrums.
I don't normally
Trust
complain,
me.
but it's every
Not
30
gonna
minutes
bother
or so.
you.
Kept me up all night, and it's right before
Get
fair
yourself
day, too.
shut
I'm
up
trying to win a
here.
goldfish.
Those are Dexter Industry trucks. My hands are tied.
Oh, bullshit. I want to file a formal complaint. Why do they have to drive down Main Street anyway? They can take another one.
Fuck!
We're taking over your town.
Who the fuck are you? This is my fucking town!
Let him know we're serious.
Ow! Don't shoot me! I'm the sheriff!
Christ, what a dipshit. Alpha team, stay on mission. Line 47.
Yeah. Come on, go.
I'll look into it.
I'm gonna check out a possible intruder. Stand by.
Where have I seen him?
Anyone there?
The place could go up in
Up
flames.
there.
Find the state authorities by now.
At least the target won't be able to get through this way. Come on, let's move out. We need to sweep the parking lots. Our window of opportunity is closing fast.
Sir, stop that now.
Checkpoint, setting up shop at 45 degrees southwest. Over.
Roger that, Rabbit. Get in position. We'll flush out the target. Over.
Doesn't make any sense. How can he just give us the drop like that?
What'd you expect? The guy's a ghost. Why do you think he's been the agency top man for all those years? He's the scalpel. We're the hammer.
We shouldn't be out here, man. It's bad luck hunting you.
fucking move!
You're a coward, Sheriff Skirky!
I'm gonna shoot this son of a bitch!
Hold down!
Please, I can't die in a church.
Last time, where's Victoria?
Oh, go fuck yourself. Blackwater Park! Blackwater Park!